Good morning, everyone. I'm Helena Beatrix Mesdendot, and I'm sixth semester of English study program at Unika Santo Paulus Ruteng. And my teaching location is at Junior High School Negeri 5 Langkerembong. And in this video, I will show to you how to create teaching material using generative AI, especially using the application Canva and application ChatGPT. And then the purpose of this video is to demonstrate how to I as a future teacher can use generative AI tools such as application Canva and application ChatGPT, and to create engaging and interactive teaching materials, especially for teaching the topic of recount text to junior high school students at SMP Negeri 5 Langkirambong. And then in this video, I will share to you about the process of creating the material, how to use the technological effectively, and present an examples of actual teaching using the material creating. Okay, the next, please watching the video of tutorial use the application Canva and application ChatGPT to create your teaching practice and to create your teaching presentation. Thank you, and let's start now. Okay, the next I will explain about the how to use the application Canva to create the material and to design presentation. The first, uh, enter the Google Play Store application, type in search, namely Canva. Okay, then because I have downloaded the application, we immediately access the Canva application to create the presentation PPT or PowerPoint. Okay, the next, open the Canva application, then go to the search, type presentation template, and the search is template presentation. Then login, and then all the templates will appear. We just need to adjust them to our own present. You can see in this video. Okay, the next tutorial or the second tutorials, how to use the application ChatGPT. The first, same as the ChatGPT, the first type is to go to Play Store application to download the GPT application. After downloading, the display will look this after it finishes. And then the next, we immediately open the ChatGPT applications, and then appears like this. If we want to search for or get materials, we just type an examples. Please make the GPT materials about give the all the explanation will appear. We just have to adjust them, and he gives to all the explanation. You can see in the slide, all the examples will appear. We just have to adjust them. The ChatGPT explain will appear. We just have to adjust them. You can see in this video. And okay, that's all of my tutorial. I hope it is can help you, and ChatGPT can give you support to make your materials. And thank you.
Okay, let's start our class.
kembali peristiwa yang sudah terjadi di masa lampau secara berurutan.
Ya, sekarang kayak apa tadi? Hanya untuk mengulangi apa yang dikatakan oleh Eden. Kalau pengertiannya tadi, what is recaptech? Recaptech itu adalah komposisi kembali tentang suatu yang terjadi di masa lampau. Teks kamu apa tadi?
Teks yang menceritakan kembali suatu peristiwa yang terjadi di masa lampau.
Sudah mengerti semuanya? Oke, that's all of my material. Dan sekian dari materi kita pada hari ini. Sekarang ibu mau bertanya kepada kalian. Yang pertama pertanyaannya adalah, menurut kalian, apakah media yang ibu gunakan tadi membantu kalian dalam memahami materi? Ya,
Saya Miss,
ya guys.
sangat membantu karena dengan media PowerPoint seperti ini, kami menjadi lebih aktif, materi menjadi mudah dimengerti, dan materi menjadi terasa menarik untuk dipelajari.
Ya, terima kasih guys. Tepuk tangan guys. Untuk pertanyaan kedua. Untuk pertanyaan kedua dari Ibu, apakah kalian suka belajar dengan cara seperti ini? Dengan menggunakan media ini tadi dan menggunakan PPT yang Ibu siapkan. Apakah kalian senang? Iya. Kenapa kalian senang?
Kami senang karena materinya sangat mudah dipahami dan dengan menggunakan PPT yang diberikan, kami dapat lebih mudah memahami segala materi yang diberikan, termasuk penjelasan yang menurut kami selama ini sulit.
Terima kasih untuk Rini. Kita mengerti. Okay, class. That's all our material, and thank you. See you next time.
See you next time.
Okay, the closing is using the generative AI tools like application Canva and ChatGPT help me creating interesting and effective teaching materials. And then I hope this video gives you ideas on how to use AI in your own teaching. So thank you so much for your watching and see you in the next video. Bye bye.